HVAC repair guy here. With over 17 years in the field as a service tech, installer, and contractor, plus my background as a Navy and nuclear electrical operator, I look at equipment based on how it actually performs on job sites. Today we are comparing two mid-tier heat pump systems to help you decide which one makes sense for your home. The Day and Night C5H8T and the York YH6. Looking at build quality and cabinet construction, these two take different approaches. Day and Night uses an open wire grill around the outdoor coil. That wire design allows maximum airflow and makes rinsing out dirt or leaves straightforward, but it leaves the coil fins more exposed to hail or heavy debris. York uses slotted, heavy-gauge, stamped metal panels surrounding the coil. Those panels provide superior protection against yard debris, rocks, and hail, even if flushing out dirt takes a little more effort during routine maintenance. Inside the cabinet, both units include factory-installed compressor sound blankets to dampen mechanical vibration. Heating performance is where these two units really start to separate. A heat pump's heating efficiency is measured by its heating seasonal performance factor, or HSPF. The Day and Night C5H8T carries an HSPF rating of 9.5, whereas the York YH6 comes in at an HSPF rating of 8.1. That higher 9.5 score on the Day and Night means it extracts more heat per watt of electricity consumed during cold winter months, keeping your home warm far more efficiently before needing auxiliary electric heat strips. Since these are heat pumps, they handle summer cooling too, but that extra efficiency gap on the heating side gives Day and Night a clear operational edge in cooler weather. Moving to compressor and fan technology, both units feature a 2-speed scroll compressor rather than a single-speed or fully variable speed inverter. A 2-speed compressor runs on low capacity most of the season to maintain steady temperatures and pull down indoor humidity, ramping up to full capacity only on peak load days. However, there is a key difference in how they move air across the outdoor coil. Day and Night pairs its 2-speed compressor with a matching 2-speed outdoor condenser fan motor. The York YH6 uses a 2-speed compressor, but pairs it with a single-speed outdoor condenser fan motor. Matching a 2-speed fan to a 2-speed compressor allows the Day and Night to throttle back outdoor air movement on low stage, improving overall system efficiency and reducing motor wear. For sound levels, both units carry a published sound rating as low as 67 decibels. To give you a real-world everyday equivalent, 67 decibels is roughly equal to normal conversational speech in a room or a modern dishwasher running in your kitchen. Day and Night is manufactured by International Comfort Products, a subsidiary of Carrier Global Corporation. York is manufactured under the residential HVAC division acquired by Bosch Home Comfort. For real-world installed pricing, current market ranges for a complete 2-stage heat pump replacement typically run between $6,000 and $10,500 for the Day and Night C5H8T, and between $5,500 and $10,500 for the York YH6, depending on unit capacity, local labor rates, and ductwork modifications. Comparing warranties, both manufacturers back their equipment with a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty when registered by a qualified installer. However, Day and Night includes a major upgrade, a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If the compressor fails within the first 10 years, Day and Night replaces the entire outdoor unit rather than just sending a replacement compressor part. The York YH6 provides 0 years of unit replacement coverage. My honest recommendation goes to the Day and Night C5H8T. York gets credit for better coil protection with its slotted cabinet panels, but Day and Night takes the win for its higher 9.5 HSPF efficiency rating, matching 2-speed outdoor fan motor and full 10-year unit replacement warranty protection.